How to redeem Pizza Hut promo code. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Type in Pizza Hut promo code and then search for it. First of all, I'm going to show you guys how can you get promo code for Pizza Hut. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Pizza Hut. So open any of it. I'm going to open this one website, Coupon Follow, as this is the legit website. Once you're on the website, scroll down and check out the offers. Select any of the offer that you are interested in. Click on it. You will get the code. Copy it, then click on Redeem at Pizza Hut. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, log into your account, make your order and check out. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of code. Over there, paste the copied code and confirm your order. With that, the code will be redeemed and you will get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers for Pizza Hut. So this way you can easily redeem Pizza Hut promo code. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.